Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Your friend GM is here to share something more about English literature, and today I have choose Age of Chaucer from the period of 1350 to 400s. Let's start Age of Chaucer. First of all, we shall discuss about kings. Edward II. His age comprises 1327 to 1377, and Richard II, 1377 to 1399. Three things, or the three parts: chronologies, history, and literature will be discussed here from this period point of view. The chronology, history, and literature. History. 1327, Edward II ascends the thrones. 1338, war with France. 1349 to 1348 to 1349, Black Death. 1350, English language replaces French in schools. 1362, English becomes the language of law courts. Literature. 1310, Dante's Divine Comedy. 1325 to 1374, Petrarch's sonnet and poems. 1340, birth of Chaucer. 1350, Boccaccio, Decameron. 1359, Mandeville's Travels. 1360 to 1370, Chaucer's French period. 1377, Wycliffe and the Lollards begin Reformation. 1381, Peasant Revolt. 1399, English language for the first time in the English Parliament. Literature of this period: 1370 1855, Chaucer Italian period. 1365 to 95, Pierce Plowman. 1375-78, Barber's Bruce. 1382, Wycliffe Bibles. 1384, Gower's Confiso Amantis. 1385 to 400, Chaucer's English period, Canterbury Tales. 1400, death of Chaucer. Age of Chaucer and chronology. Thanks to watch the video. Hope it will be helpful in your different kinds of exams. Stay connected while subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos to get more videos about English literature. Goodbye. Thank you so much.